If you download data from Humanitarian Data Exchange, you may encounter some issues in terms of the coordinate system that these layers come with. Sometimes these layers don't have any coordinate system assigned, and the way you can detect that is by exploring the properties of the map and going to the section coordinate systems, and then under the layers tab, you can see the list of layers and the coordinate system that they have. For instance, there are 4 layers that don't have any coordinate system and is assigned as unknown. However, there are other layers like the administrative boundaries that have a geographic coordinate system, WGS 1984. And the base map has a projected coordinate system that is called Web Mercator. So when this happens, most probably the layers that do not have any coordinate system will be problematic whenever we want to visualize the layers with other information in the map. For example, these 4 layers that I know don't have any coordinate system can be seen. And the reason why is because the software cannot recognize any coordinate system, hence cannot project them in the map. So I'm going to go back to properties, and I'm going to check that the selected coordinate system to view the available data is geographic coordinate system WGS 1984. The reason why is because most probably all of the data that you will download from Humanitarian Data Exchange will be in a geographic coordinate system WGS 1984. So it is pretty standard, and as soon as you change it here and you see it under current XY WGS 1984, you can click OK. Again, you just need to click on top of the WGS 1984 and it will be selected in the current XY. And once you do that, you will be able to see all of the information integrated in the same coordinate system, in this case, geographic coordinate system.